Okay, yeah. Ferris wheel, let's begin. So, a Ferris wheel of radius 30 feet and it operates at a speed of 1.5 revolutions per minute. The lowest point for a person in a car of a Ferris wheel is 6 feet above the ground. Write a model of person's height above the ground if h is 54 feet when t is equal to 0. So what you can do in this Ferris wheel is you have to find the maximum height and the minimum height.
Minimum, is 6.
Okay. So minimum
Is h plus 6, sorry.
Minimum is given 6 feet above the ground. No?
Yeah, but so it's saying for
Minimum
the
is
person's
6.
height, right? It's 6 feet above the ground, but so it depends on how tall the person is.
No, lowest point for a person in the car. He's sitting in the car. How does the height matter? The height of the person doesn't matter. So the minimum, so y minimum, the y minimum or the h minimum height, if I call it h minimum, is how much? 6. What does h maximum mean? How much
That's
is
the
it?
maximum height, so it will be.
So this is 6 feet.
Yeah.
What is the maximum height be?
It's I can't see any.
Hey, sorry. What is the maximum height be?
So this is 60 plus 6.
60 plus 6.
66.
66, correct? 6 feet plus the diameter.
Yeah.
Okay, now it's starting from 54 feet above the ground. When t is equal to 0, 54 feet. What is the midpoint of 66 in this? 54 feet. Chalo, 54 is somewhere here. Let's consider 54 somewhere here.
Yeah.
When t is equal to 0, correct? So when t is equal to 0, h is equal to 54 feet. H is equal to 54 feet.
Yeah.
That's given.
Yeah.
Okay. Whether it's going clockwise, anti-clockwise and all, it's not mentioned. So we won't bother of this. Correct? Huh?
Yeah.
And let's say it's going anti-clockwise.
Okay.
Let's assume because you have to consider some direction.
Yeah.
Now what will you do in this case? First of all, get a period. In 1 minute, there's 1.5 revolutions. So define period. The time taken for one revolution.
Yeah.
So one revolution is how many minutes? So how much will that be? 1 into 1 divided by 1.5 because we'll get the answer in this only. Right. So that would be how much? 10 over 15. That's 2 over 3. That's the period per minute. Correct?
Why?
So what is this? What is 2 over 3?
That's a period.
No, that's the time period. Yeah, that's the period. Correct. So minutes. So many minutes. Period. Now apply your sine function. So listen. So if you have h is equal to a sine b x minus c plus b, correct?
So
what is a?
is your vertical step.
So that's your max minus min divided by 2.
Yeah.
You find a max, correct? Minus min divided by 2. 60 divided by 2. 30. What's your d? 60
Plus 6.
66 plus 6 divided by 2. That's how much?
6.
Huh?
Oh, wait.
What are you saying?
Oh, 72 divided by 2 is 36.
36.
Yeah.
What's your b? 2 pi divided by the period. 2 pi divided by 2 by 3. Correct? That's 3 pi. B is equal to 3 pi. Correct?
Yeah.
So what will this be? Yeah, you also pay attention.
No.
So what will it be? H is equal to A sine B, your B is 3 pi.
Okay.
T, we'll put T as a time because your X is your time now. Minus C is we have to determine, correct?
Yes.
Plus D.
So why would you have a C? So doesn't C generally mean, for example,
Yeah, but you have to get it in context of the question. No? Now when you put when your time is 0, this is 54. So this is 54 when time is 0. And use this to get your C. Use your N solve. Do solve and get this. Come on. You also can do this. It is whiling your time. Use your calculator. Yeah, start. Next, do the same worksheet again.
So sir, it's going to like,
Is it in radian?
no, it's a degree.
So convert to radian because we had in radian.
So it's still giving me one, two, three. So it's giving me multiple answers.
So see the one which is relevant, take the one which is there. Take the one which is positive, the first positive value you take.
So in radian is good.
Yeah, radian you have to do it. Numeric.
So 0.401.
0.401. You sure?
Yeah.
Unless you put your brackets and all properly in the equation.
Yes, sir. Everything.
Sure. Because sine.
What do you think? So you can have a 0.4.
Yeah, because sometimes okay. Both of you, I hope both of you will not make the same mistake.
Possible.
402 then we'll make it. Huh? 3 meters.
That's fine.
So what will the model be then?
H is equal to 30 sine
Is equal to
3 pi
30 sine
t
3
minus
pi
0.402 plus 36.
T is x or T, no? Doesn't matter.
You know how Maharashtra is a thing school to do?
Okay, now listen. Pay attention, please. You understood this?
No, sir.
Why? You take the model and you just work it out. Okay. Next, Uday, let's continue with this.
Alright. Wait, what are the
We'll start with practice C now. With Uday, I'm starting with practice C. Otherwise, we won't finish.
Arey sir, forget
So-
all of this. Won't finish, sir. Never gonna finish this.
Listen, 14.1. You see the
Sir,
video?
can I be honest?
Huh?
I don't even know if your place gets us to do all of this. So because he's not specified. Maybe tomorrow or someone will tell
No,
us.
but do it.
So
With
maybe
the,
tomorrow or someone. But sir, sound is not really out of
plus secant negative x over secant sine minus x
Start.
plus tan minus
Practice C.
x.
Start.
So you're gonna cosecant
You see the other videos and you tell me about.
Done.
That's
I'll
fine. What did you do? Why did you delete everything?
memory book. Like I always do. I do it on my
So you drop my book, I have a book.
No,
I'll do the work in your book.
I'm good.
I'll do that's an I'll do 14
This is not my school book.
I don't care you have a book. So could I borrow paper, please?
I'll get you one tomorrow.
What? No, I genuinely.
I'll get you what color do you want? What color do you want? I'll do one top of my class and I'll pick it up.
What book? Notebook?
Yeah, sir. You know how he gave me that one notebook now he's got a book.
So Alex, you don't know.
Oh God, one notebook you can spare for your friend.
No, but I need one for math tomorrow. I don't have it.
You don't have one. You have some pomegranate.
No chance. I have to go to someone's birthday, so I. Yeah, you just go.
Chalo, start.
So, before we start, right? So question 5, so whatever it is, how you just forget it's on the page and go to it? Can we just forget that like question 5 always is on the page and not here? Because it doesn't
No,
look
no.
very like nice.
No. Question 5 onwards, listen. This now?
So no, I'm saying 14.3 wala. The one I'm running right now.
Oh,
Why is that necessary?
it's easy, nothing. All this is.
Alright.
You have to develop a taste for it. I'm calling that. In the beginning, you not like, but once you develop taste for it, man.
Negative 8 is that theta equal to somewhere between pi over 2 and pi, and then you do the unit circle and do it, right? You make it on one side and then you mirror it on the other side, right? So, but once, how do I do it?
Draw the right angle triangle and do it.
Oh, wait, what? As in? So I know how to do this with unit circle, I don't know how to do it with the right angle triangle. Oh, I got it. Okay. So, but how can it be negative value? How, the sides can be negative, right? How can it be a negative value?
It's a second quadrant, no? So time would be negative.
Wait, what? I thought it was a triangle.
No, this is your unit circle. No? See. One second. Let's put the recording. What will you call it? Find other values of other this.
Yeah, trigonometric. Oh, wait, I got it. So tan is equal to opposite of a